There are times when we create a table in Microsoft Word, the column titles or contents of the columns are very long, so it is very difficult to adjust the width of the table so that it fits the width of the page. One way to make the table fit the width of the paper even though the table column headings are long is to make the writing vertical or extending from top to bottom. To make vertical writing in a Microsoft Word table, it is very easy. Friends, please read this tutorial until the end. First of all, prepare a table whose writing we will make vertical. Then select all the columns whose writing you want to change. After that, go to the Layout menu in Table Tools, then click Text Direction. Click Text Direction until the writing changes to vertical. There are two forms of vertical writing. Vertical writing that can be read from top to bottom and vertical writing that can be read from bottom to top. Choose according to your wishes. After we change the shape of the writing to vertical, friends, readjust the width and height of the column whose writing we changed earlier. Who knows, the column is too small or too wide, so adjust it so it looks good. So how about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to make vertical writing in a Word table. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all of you.